Hey, we're here at the old Caesars Harrahs Hotel in New Orleans, Louisiana. Not the new one. I wanted to show you room 2019. It's a suite. We'll see how it goes. All right. Come in here. We have John sitting here. It's a nice little walkway. We got a little living area with some coffee and probably a little microwave under there. Little sitting area, dining room. Decent little view. Here we have the king size bed. Nice little TV. You've got some space to hang your clothes. Got a little safe up there. Iron. Bathroom. Nice little bathroom. We got a shower. Little bathtub there. Split sink, and of course your toilet. And that is your tour of room 2019 at the Harrahs Caesars Hotel in New Orleans, Louisiana.